I am the vine, you are the branches, Jesus said. He is our life support, the solid rock, so that we do not fear of anything, as he said. For he leads us in every greener pasture, in line with what he also said, that I have come that you have life and have it more abundantly, that we could say, I shall not want. Go therefore and have Jesus in your life, and you shall live even for all eternity.